What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another coffee thing and it's gonna be my personal favorite, which is iced Americano, so let's do it. All right, if you know me, you know that I love my black iced coffee. I have a couple videos of me saying that. I've done a couple videos before this that are filled with sugar, and I've had Starbucks and other places really screw up iced Americano or black coffee on ice. I know they're made different, but those are the two coffees that I really prefer. Black coffee on ice. I even had Burger King tell me they don't sell that. So anyways, so to make this iced Americano, you don't really need a grinder if you have beans that are already ground. I buy my beans, so I have to grind them. You need this thing that I think is called an Expresso percolator, and I'll show you how to use it. And then you just really need ice, water, and a cup. So super simple today. It's strong coffee, but it is good. So since I have a Starbucks right across from where I work, I go in there almost every morning and get iced Americano. The guy there actually knows what I get. He knows not to add sugar or milk or anything, and so it's really nice to have somebody that pays attention. Anyways, I asked them what they use for their iced Americano and they told me this. It's the blonde espresso roast, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. You're gonna put your coffee in here if you have beans, and you're gonna grind it up really fine, and then we're gonna put it in here. First, I haven't even opened this yet. I've been using the North Pole Mushers blend, I think. Okay, so we're just gonna pour it in, and then you change it to what kind of grind, and mine's gonna be fine, and we're gonna do it. Okay, so I've got this all ground up really fine. All right, now to this thing, the percolator, or whatever it's called. This one I got from Fred Meyer, which is a local grocery store, and it was like $16, so very affordable. I know that it is not gonna be just like espresso when you're using an espresso machine. Obviously, all the pressure and everything that's controlled in an espresso machine is not going to be the same as this. This is just the cheaper version. It's not gonna taste the same, but it's going to taste better than just pour over black coffee. It's gonna be a step up from just pour over or a machine black coffee, okay? It's gonna be a little bit stronger. So this thing opens. You got these layers. You're gonna take this little thing that kind of looks like a funnel out, and you're gonna fill this up. There's this little nut in here, right here, which is like the valve, I'm guessing, and you fill up below that. You don't wanna go over it, so that's what you're gonna fill up with water. And then you're gonna take your grounds, and you're gonna put them in here, and you're gonna pack it down. I don't know the science behind it, but it makes the espresso taste the way that it tastes, you know? And then you're gonna put this in here, like that, and then you're gonna screw this top on, and in here, it's really cool actually. Okay, so in here is where you're going to, after you attach it, you're gonna turn it on the stove, it's gonna boil, and it's actually going to boil down here, and it's going to steam and push up water through the coffee and come out this little spout. And it's kind of cool to watch because at first when I did it, I was like, it's not doing it, it's not working, it's broke, right? Because I'm impatient. And then when you see it like start to fountain out, it's super cool. And then after that, you got your espresso. So I'm gonna get my water. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pack this in here. So it's like really fine. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. You're gonna put it in and you want it packed down. You don't want it super loose. And so the steam from down there is gonna push up through this little thing, up through the coffee, and it's actually gonna push it all the way up through that spout. And if you already knew this, then I don't know why you're watching this video, but I did not know this. And so when I found this out, I thought that was super cool. I didn't know how an espresso machine worked, whether it's like stovetop or an actual espresso machine. I had no clue how that works, so it's kind of cool to learn. We're gonna put it in here and then take our top and we're going to screw it on. Then we're gonna put it on the stove and boil it. You're gonna put this on here, you're gonna turn it on. I'm impatient and I usually put it on 10, but I put it on 6 right now. I leave this open because I like to see it, it's really cool. And 2, I wanna know when all the waters came through so that this down here doesn't dry boil. All this is in here and it was really cool to watch, huh? Then you're gonna take your cup, fill it up with ice, and then I think at Starbucks, I don't really pay attention that often, but I think they fill your espresso up to like around here, and then they fill the rest with water. So you're your own barista, do what you want. So I'm gonna do that. First line, I'm gonna add water. And there you have iced Americano. You know, you would think that it would be a simple drink, but so many times I have been fooled when I go get black coffee on ice, iced Americano, whatever, and it looks black, right? I did not know that Starbucks puts in like a liquid syrup in there. And I will walk off or drive off, take a drink and be like, because I'm expecting some bitter coffee, not sweet coffee, right? And I've had times where I have to go back through the drive-thru because the lobby's closed and be like, this ain't it. But as I was saying before, the guy at my Starbucks now knows me, he knows my order, and he tells the lady down the line, don't put anything in it. So cheers to him. Let's taste it. In my opinion, I think I could have added more espresso. It tastes on the weaker side. Yeah, let's add some more espresso. Also, their espresso comes from probably like a $10,000 espresso machine. So theirs comes out smaller probably, and it's super strong. This is a $16 espresso machine, so you might have to add more. Let's taste it now though. That tastes more like what you would get at Starbucks. I mean, like I said before, it's not gonna taste exactly the same because this is $16, you know? When you get coffee from a coffee shop, they're using literally a machine that's thousands of dollars. So it's not gonna be the same, but it definitely tastes stronger than pour over black coffee. It tastes stronger than that. Okay guys, I'll leave this here again and say, if you have a favorite coffee, put it in the comments down below. Or maybe just like a favorite drink, and I'll put it in the comments down below. I'm still trying to find people that will tell me their coffee. Maybe I have no friends that don't like coffee. I guess nobody gives a shit about coffee, but I do. If you guys have any ideas, leave them. I'll make it. This is my favorite coffee, my favorite way. As always, have a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next one.